I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we gotta take the top off of this Steamliner camper. So first things first is I gotta undo all of the screws along the entire rim of the inside. Then I can drop the top a bit, do the outside, because as you can see right here, it's rotted off. And there goes some of the screws anyways.
We got a red connection we don't want to lose. And I don't care about no one here but you. Leave just me and you to do what we do. I want you all to myself. Everything I do it for you. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I've been made to feel like I'm worth nothing at all. Then you come up, exude my love and change that. Now I've been made to feel like I got it all. All the ways you change me, I'd do all it takes to save it.
Okay, I need your help to lift this up and over.
So
You
where
want
are
to stand
we,
here?
up and over that way, or like is it
However we
allowed?
can get it off.
Is it allowed to fall down on the ground or
No,
no?
it can't fall.
Okay.
It's fiberglass, it'll break. Okay, just twist sideways.
I'm
Twist
twisting.
sideways. Yeah, no, you're good. You want to start coming down?
I don't know where I can though.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, on your step.
Where's my step?
I'm saying we'll move on your step. Just come down. Just let it go down slowly. And duck underneath it. Bring it forward and let it sit on that cupboard.
Like this?
Yeah. Then you get out.
No, careful. You can't do this your own.
I know. You can't. I'm not able to do this. So that's all. I'm fine. Now I gotta figure out.
Here, do you want me to lift it up a bit? Oh, hang on.
Just lift it up
Yeah.
and we'll flip it over. Let's be delicate with this.
You okay?
Oh, good.
Oh. Terrified me.
The ways you change me, I'd do all it takes to save it. 'Cause we got a red connection we don't wanna lose. And I don't care about no one here but you. She's there every time I fight. She's there every time I fall. Every passing day and night, I love her a little bit more.